What's up guys, thanks for clicking on the video. I'm the Bear Market Miner, and in today's video I'm going to discuss my crypto mining strategy for 2024 and leading into the bull run to make as many gains as possible. My main strategy is to dip my foot into a few different industries and hodl. I'm fortunate to be in a position where I have an 8 kilowatt solar setup to reduce my overall power consumption, and I can pay my electricity bill out of pocket. Just a quick disclaimer guys, these are all just my opinions, and make sure you do your own research before you decide to get into crypto. My strategy is to diversify my mining farm into what I believe to be the next big things in the space, or tech space in general. Now I'm only going to cover a couple of coins that I'm really interested in this video, as would be here all day, but I also want to mention what I'm doing with my farm and the plans to really scale that over the next couple of months. We'll start by listing a couple of the coins we are big on in 2024, but stay tuned for the end of the video where I'll discuss a more diverse no-brainer strategy to make money in 2024. AI is going to be huge in 2024 and moving into the future for many reasons. Some of those being the huge leap in technology, such as more powerful GPUs and TPUs, increased data availability, and cross-industry integration, allowing different industries to talk to each other and learn from each other. So to kick things off, the first focus of my mining farm revolves around AI. Among the various projects I'm currently mining, I want to highlight a few: Dynex, Claw, and NeuRAI, but for now let's dive into Dynex. Dynex is currently making up about 25% of my farm, and in their own words, Dynex is a global network of decentralized supercomputing. Now let's break that down, what that means in simpler terms. Dynex operates as a system where individuals or miners like us join a large decentralized network, and this network is exceptional at executing tasks with remarkable speed and efficiency, sometimes even outperforming computers. And how do they do this? Well, Dynex uses a specialized algorithm known as DynexSolve. Think of it as a super smart brain that collaborates with powerful graphics cards and a broader computing network. Together they can solve a wide range of real-world problems, showcasing the incredible utility of this technology. I believe Dynex has a compelling use case in the real world and potential for significant growth in the coming years. With a solid team and a thriving community, it's clear why I see this as a fairly robust investment opportunity. The next coin I'm interested in is Alium. This takes up another 25% of my farm. Alium has gotten a lot of buzz lately. It feels like half the crypto space is talking about it right now due to its high profitability. And with the rumors of ASICs coming and potentially FPGAs either already being on or coming soon, I feel Alpha is going to take a huge leap. Alium was intricately crafted to tackle and prevent challenges faced by decentralized applications, or dApps, placing a strong emphasis on improving accessibility, scalability, and security. Primary objective is to surmount the common obstacles associated with these dApps while giving paramount importance to energy efficiency. This feature holds particular significance amid the escalating concerns regarding energy consumption in the technology sector. The project captured my attention due to its potential to provide solutions not only for the demands of scalable and secure decentralized finance or DeFi applications, but also aligning with the growth inclination towards environmentally friendly alternatives in the tech industry. And I appreciate this notion of diversification in my farm, encompassing both ends of the spectrum, thus contributing to a more comprehensive approach. My next play is one I'm new to completely, and this is crypto gaming or play to earn style coins, so I'm trying to get a bag of GPN or Game Pass. This is a much smaller percentage of my farm, around 5 to 10%. I'll try to get around $500 to $1,000 worth of this and sit on it for the bull run and hope it moons. Game Pass Network is a dynamic gaming and crypto platform where users can earn rewards by playing their preferred games, courtesy of Game Pass coins or the tokens. This coin utilizes a proof-of-work mechanism powered by the groundbreaking Core Power algorithm. And what makes Game Pass Network stand out? It features a distinctive halving algorithm, and there's an exciting game assets marketplace in the pipeline. The mission is straightforward: to establish a flourishing gamers ecosystem offering an enjoyable fusion of gaming and cryptocurrency exploration. It's an invitation to level up together. The prospect of financial benefits also, especially for individuals unable to amass coins through personal investments, holds particular allure for me. This opportunity democratizes access to cryptocurrencies and offering a wide spectrum of individuals a chance to engage with the coin without the need for substantial out-of-pocket expenses or the acquisition of expensive mining hardware. So it not only fosters inclusivity in the crypto space, but also allows for flexibility, enabling people to convert their holdings into fiat currency if they so desire. This opens up avenues for more diverse and inclusive participation in the exciting world of digital assets, contributing to the accessibility and appeal of cryptocurrency for a broader audience. Play-to-earn style games have gained popularity in recent years, but not all of them have succeeded. Game Pass stands out with an established community, solid development and a buzz circulating around it. So we're looking in to accumulate a decent holding of Game Pass, considering its small market cap, which presents potential for significant gains during the upcoming bull run. Now the final 40% of my mining farm is allocated to Bitcoin. I'm not directly mining Bitcoin using ASICs. Instead, I employ a pretty straightforward strategy that many casual crypto miners are familiar with. Essentially, I mine the most profitable coin each day on the most efficient rig, and on a weekly basis or bi-weekly, I convert at least half of it to Bitcoin based on the current conversion rates, while holding on to the other half and growing those holdings. This strategy has proven reasonably effective over time, and while it's not always on a weekly basis due to the changing profitability, I actively track daily shifts to ensure I'm on the right path and to avoid potential coin dumps. As an example, I'm currently mining Pyron on one of my 3070 rigs, and a mix of Claw, AIPG and Skydoge on my 6600 XT rigs. To keep it concise, Pyron is essentially a fork of Casper, and while maintaining profitability during price fluctuations, it seems like a reasonable bet. My belief is that when Casper sees a significant surge in the next bull run, Pyron will likely follow suit. Additionally, the AI coins we discussed earlier, along with Skydoge, which as far as I know is an offshoot meme coin, and it sort of rounds out this diversity strategy. Finally, let's talk about the exciting world of mining hardware accumulation. It's a constant process for me as I mine various coins, and I plan to maintain this strategy to accumulate and diversify my mining rig farm. Recently, I've made significant upgrades, including the installation of a dedicated 80 amp 240 volt panel in my mining room, and this enhancement has provided ample room for expansion, with space being the only current limiting factor. However, if I wish, I can switch to server cases, which will allow more room again for more rigs, which will allow for more future expansion into different areas such as CPU mining and potentially incorporating some mini ASICs. And while I may not venture into the larger ASIC miner space, which is a decision I may or may not regret, it simply doesn't align with my interests or keeping the wife happy with those screaming fans. On the flip side, there's a plan in the pipeline for a significant increase in GPUs, aiming to reach 100 by the end of the year. While I currently sit at around 60, I think this is easily achievable. And there you have it, guys. That's a small glimpse into what I'm currently mining and my strategic plans for the future. Now, I'm eager to hear your thoughts. Do you think I'm making the right plays? Am I heading in the right direction? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you found any of this content enjoyable, or better yet informative, do me a solid favor, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more crypto mining adventures. Your support means a lot and helps me grow the channel. So as we wrap up for now, may the hashes be high, the gains be even higher in your crypto endeavors, and until next time, I'm the Bear Market Miner. Peace.